Down there too.
Oh my goodness! This is serious shit. Nady, do you want a free meal?
Oh my god, this is gross. Sick.
You see this?
It's like it's a gang.
Homemade. Just like the one we found on Maggie Sanchez last week.
Archangel Zadkiel, forgive them for their sins. You are thine angel of mercy.
And our purpose, the angel of death.
Why just our... Look at down there though.
Lauren, look at Milner's yard.
Look at Sal and Lisa's, the Lisa and Vinny's yard.
Jesus.
Oh my god. Nady, what is that?
Nady, what's going on?
What's that?
Nady, do you want lunch?
I want to scare them away. Let's see if... Look at the birds! This is unreal. There's over 100. There's thousands. Why does no one else see this? Oh my god.
Should I go outside and get shots?
Yeah, but they're probably gonna fly away.
I'll see what I can do. I mean, they're not going to attack me, right?